Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our KSG or DP-12 carry case. It's designed to hold your Kel-Tec KSG or DP-12, a semi-auto pistol, as well as magazines and accessories. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs from both the lid and the base. Remove all the plugs in the lid. Then in the base, start with this main plug. This area will immediately fit a Kel-Tec KSG. To fit a DP-12, these sections will need to be removed. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensures all of your gear will fit regardless of accessories. For example, to fit optics or a foregrip, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. If you do not have a specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear if not in use. On the left side in the base is a pistol cutout which is immediately ready to fit a compact pistol, but will accommodate a semi-auto pistol up to 8 5/8 inches in length. To accommodate a full-sized pistol, you'll need to connect the perforations here and remove them. For pistols with underbarrel attachments or optics, connect the perforations in these areas. Two pistol magazines can be stored in the cutouts here, and up to 47 shotgun shells can be individually stored in the foam in these 3 areas, or these sections can be removed, revealing 3 accessory pockets. These removable modules are great for using outside of the case to keep your shotgun shells easily accessible while you're shooting. A small accessory pocket is located here. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck foam. Unlike Pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is the same polyethylene material, which helps to secure everything in place when the case is closed. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 6 padlockable holes, 4 in the front and 2 in the back for added security, 4 strong mechanical hinges, 2 feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, a balanced integral handle for easy carry, raised walls and chamfered corners to deflect impact, and ridges so that the case is stackable if you have more than one. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.